Hi guys, today we talk about ZTE Nubia Z50s Pro. It's launched on July 2023. The dimensions of Z50s Pro: height 6.45 inch, width 3 inch, thickness 8.3 mm. The weight is 228 grams, and the build: front glass, eco leather back and aluminium frame. The display of Z50s Pro. It's come with AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.8 inch with 89.3% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1.5K with 452 ppi intensity. The refresh rate is 120Hz with 1200 nits peak of brightness. And the screen protection of Z50s Pro, it's come with Corning Gorilla Glass screen protection. The platform of ZTE Nubia Z50s Pro, it's come with Android 13 operating system. The chipset is Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 with octa-core Cortex-X3 CPU. The GPU is Adreno 740 and the memory of Z50s Pro is 12 and 16 gigs of RAM and 256 by 12 gigs and 1 TB of ROM. No SD card, no nano memory card support in this mobile. The camera of ZTE Nubia Z50s Pro is it's come with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 8 megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and it supports 8K 30fps video. The selfie camera is 16 megapixel. The battery backup of ZTE Nubia Z50s Pro is 5100 mAh and it supports 80 watt fast wire charging. No wireless charging, no reverse charging in this mobile. The commons and the features: it has Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, IP68, water and dust resistance, UFS 4.0, stereo speakers, NFC, fingerprint under display, USB Type-C, and infrared port. The price of ZTE Nubia Z50s Pro is $599.